What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello everyone, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how Sukuta looks, this part of Sukuta looks in rainy season, because it was raining here throughout the night and then the rain stopped some maybe 2 hours ago. The rain has stopped. Yeah, so I'm like, let me just go out and show you guys how Sukuta looks in rainy season. As you guys can see, it is still cloudy and then it can rain at any time. So let me just try to do my things as quickly as possible before it begins to rain, because I'm here with no umbrella. Yeah, anyways viewers, so guys, this is Sukuta, the Gambia, and then I'm walking towards the Larikunda Sukuta Garas. Yeah, that's where I plan to end this video, so I don't know how things will go. Yeah, let's go guys. So guys, this is the new Larikunda Sukuta OIC road. This is a new road which they construct here. It is still under construction. Yeah, it's not finally complete yet. Yeah. So guys, this is Sukuta for you. As you guys can see, I'm almost at the Sukuta cemetery. Yeah. Yeah, boys, is here showing you how this environment of the Gambia looks. Yeah. This is the Gambia in rainy season. So guys, if you watch the video till here, make sure you like and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Your likes help YouTube to boost the video to larger audience, and then your subscription helps the channel to grow. Yeah, let's go guys, let's go. our boy is walking here in the neighborhood of Sukuta. Sukuta is one of the oldest towns here in the Gambia. Yeah. And there's a football field over there, as you guys can see. Yeah. As I said earlier, still now road work is going on here, as you guys can see. This is a new road. The road isn't finally complete yet. Yeah, still now road work is going on. As you guys can see, the machine over there, they are using So guys, this fence is part of the Sukuta cemetery, and let me show you the main gate, the main entrance of Sukuta cemetery. So this is the Sukuta cemetery. So guys, this is one of the entrance of the cemetery, and the main entrance is over there, down there. guys, this small gate also is another entrance of the cemetery, the Sukuta cemetery. It is a Muslim cemetery, yeah, because here Muslim and Christians are not buried together in the same cemetery. So this is the Muslim cemetery, yeah. Finally, this is the Sukuta, Laruguna Sukuta garage. As you guys can see, this is Laruguna Sukuta garage. And this is the main entrance of Sukuta cemetery, yeah. So guys, I will soon end this video. Let me just show you a little bit of this part of Sukuta and then end this video. Let me just walk for a little bit. And that's the Sukuta waste collection point. Oh my goodness, just look at this mud. That's why Gambia in rainy season. Just look at that vehicle struggling inside this mud. People are really struggling here, even to find their way around here. Talk less of vehicles. And guys, that's the main Sukuta Masjid, as you guys can see. That's the main Masjid of Sukuta. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. See you on the next video. This is what I have for you in today's video here in Sukuta, the Gambia, West Africa. See you on the next video. I'm out. Bye.